There's one concept out there that can build wealth quietly while you sleep. And most people, unfortunately, just ignore it. And it's not even flashy, it's not complicated, and it doesn't require thousands of dollars to start. I'm talking about compound interest. And if you take the time to truly understand it, it can change your life. First, let's talk about what actually is compound interest. Basically speaking, compound interest is interest that earns interest. And I know that can be confusing at first, so stick with me. Let's say you invested $100 and it earns 10%. After 1 year, you've got $110. In year two, you earn 10% again, but now on $110. That's $11 in interest, not $10. In year three, it's $12.10. It seems small at first, but that's kind of the point. Over time, the growth accelerates like a snowball going downhill. Slow at first, then completely unstoppable. Let's look at a real example. Let's compare two people. Alex starts investing $200 a month at 18 and stops at 30. Jordan waits and starts investing $300 a month at 30 and keeps going until age 60. So, who ends up with more money? The answer, Alex does. Even though Alex invested less time and less money into the market, compound interest gave their early dollars more time to grow. And that's the power of starting early. So, why is it that most people miss out on this? Well, the simple answer is because compound interest takes time, and most people want quick money. We're told to hustle, grind, flip, and chase when real wealth often looks pretty boring. That's why compound interest works if you're patient. If you plant the seed today, you might not see much in 1 year, but in 10 years, you definitely will. So, how exactly do you start right now? Well, the good thing is you don't need a lot to get started, but you do need consistency. Use automatic investing, even if it's just 20 bucks a week. Use a brokerage account, Roth IRA, or an app like Fidelity or Vanguard, which are my personal favorites. Focus on low-cost index funds like VTI or S&P 500 ETFs. And always remember, the amount does not matter as much as the habit. Compound interest is how regular people like me and you can build real lasting wealth over time. Not by getting lucky, not by chasing hype, but by being consistent, showing up early, and letting time do all the work for you. So just start where you are, because the worst thing you can do right now is nothing. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Your support does mean a lot. As always, stay blessed.